Well, I got a call from my son saying that his Nintendo was having problems. It would run for a few minutes and then power down. So let's see if we can take a look and find out what's going on with this. We have a power input jack here of 12 volts. Okay, I was able to come up with the proper power supply here with the proper connector. When I did run it, it took about an hour and the unit did shut off, but I felt no airflow at all from the fan. And this area here was extremely warm. So I think what we should do is open this up and check out the fan. So let's get started. Well, first thing is to remove the battery screw. And there are 3 screws to be removed here on the faceplate. Then there are 2 screws here for the front cover. Looks like those are tri-screws. Well, taking this apart, I've noticed that we're going to be managing a lot of different screws. So what I've done is I've got my holder here set up 1 through 14, and I've got a blue tape here that I'm going to be marking where the holder is at. So I've got a 3s on here and 3 in the bin. Then for the controller cover here, I'll put 2s on this. Be right back. So now I have 2s on this, and we'll put a 1 on the battery cover. Okay, we need to take out these 4 screws. They were behind the game plate. There are 2 Phillips there and 2 tri-wing. Okay, I believe that there are 4 screws here. Marking this. With a number 5. We have one more hidden screw here. And that was number 5. Okay, we are down to the fan here. That's what we're after. Oh, it's bound up hard. It is bound up hard. Let's see if we can't pull that out. Huh. Now that's turning free, but it wasn't when it was in the case here. No. That's why. I did want to show you, if you can see that the fan blade is protruding past the shield here, and by pushing this in, it now is locked in. I pushed it down, so now the fins are flush there. Somehow somebody got in and poked at it. Yes. Okay. And the fan is spinning. Very nice. So let me run this for an hour and let's see if the thing will shut off. I'll be back. Well, it's been over an hour and it's still running. And this is just as cool as can be. So I think we've got the problem fixed. So let's go ahead and put it back together. So let's try to put this back together the same way we took it apart. Now you might ask why I didn't pull this off the processor and put some new thermal paste onto it. When I looked it up, these are thermal strips that are on here, and I don't have any thermal strips. I do have paste, but as cool as it's running right now, I don't think that'll be a problem. Okay, let's do number 4. Okay, we have everything back together again. Let's go ahead and power it up. We'll put a disc in it. And let's let it run for an hour. I'll be right back. It's been an hour, and it's cool. There's a little bit of warmth right there. Nothing really to worry about. I can feel the fan. Let's go ahead and eject the CD. Power it off. And we'll unplug it. And this Nintendo is fixed. If you found this video useful or entertaining, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to click on the bell icon to be notified of upcoming videos. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thanks for watching.